Piglet Has the Sniffles. One day, Winnie the Pooh stopped by to visit Piglet. He found his friend in bed with the sniffles. "I'll go get you some honey," said Pooh. "Honey always makes me feel better." Pooh went home and took down a large honey pot from his shelf. On the way back to Piglet's house, Pooh met Rabbit, who was in his garden. When Rabbit heard about Piglet's sniffles, he went to his house and brought out a covered dish. "My vegetable soup will cure any cold," Rabbit boasted. "Please take this soup to Piglet." Pooh passed by Kanga's house. Kanga was sorry to hear that Piglet had the sniffles. "Please take some of my blueberry muffins with you," she said. "They always make Roo feel better when he has the sniffles." Poor Pooh! His load was getting heavier and heavier, and he was getting hungrier and hungrier. Just then, Owl flew by. "Rabbit told me that Piglet wasn't feeling well," he said. "In my opinion, a pot of raspberry tea will make Piglet feel better in no time at all." Pooh couldn't carry another thing, and his tummy was getting awfully rumbly. "Oh, bother, I'll have to leave something behind," he said. Pooh put down the honey pot. "That's better," he said, "but it's so sad to leave this honey all by itself." And so he ate it all up. Before long, Pooh arrived at Piglet's house and put all the food on a tray. "Oh, thank you, Pooh," said Piglet, "but where's the honey?" Pooh explained that he had to leave the honey pot behind. "That's all right," Piglet said with a laugh. "I'm sure the soup, muffins, and tea will make me feel much better. You're a good friend, Pooh." The end.